So welcome back to my channel. This is your man Takeoff PongeneX, and right now I'm somewhere in the part of Kohima. See, so I'm here right now in this beautiful place, this beautiful mountain range. So today this vlog is not going to be any special like any other. Just want to tell you guys that my subscribers are gaining lately, slowly, one at a time, and also my watch hour is also going up slowly. So I want to say thank you so much to all of you for that. Kohima dina jaga sundur pishi. You just need to come and visit. You just need to step out from your home and you have to explore. Explore granagludo na explore granagludo. So if you don't go out, if you don't step out, then how will you know, right? So this is my urge to everyone, that you have to go out and explore our land, our Nagaland, our Kohima. So beautiful, so nice. Pollution भी नहीं. I cannot hear even one single person voice, nor vehicle, nor horn honking. It's out of noise pollution. Just you can hear the wind blowing. You just hear the birds chirping. That's it. That's how it is. So yeah, I'll just show you around here and there today, and I'll get back to you again. Look at this, so beautiful, right? Sundar. It's all Kohima Osor. Kohima it's not Kohima Osor, but it's under Kohima only. All those beautiful cottage. It's under Kohima district. Water tank. Good. Basandi ini karana se sundur. So guys, look at this beautiful view here. Sundur no hai. Nice, yeah. Hava bir şey var ya ze. Ya da böyle havalı havası bir şey ola var. Şak. Hal dayım diye. Ne ze. Ben de bir şey var. Sundur. Wow. Bu da gazete giri जाने देखिए जरूर. Sundur. So I'm here. Campsite tree. Okay, so with this I will end my vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. So sorry. So yeah, until then, everyone take care, do what you love, and keep doing what you're doing. Till then, bye bye, and bye bye.